What is LTAS and how does it relate to MPPG? So MPPG, mobile first, participatory, personalized, and group-based are actually principles. They're design principles for mobile first learning. LTAS, learn, think, apply, share, is the application of those principles when it comes to mobile instructional design. So with any piece of content, it's actually much easier to think about it in terms of piece of content, which is what you learn, which can be delivered via a video, an article, or a commentary or something. The think is the reflection part to help you internalize that content. Apply is a challenge to apply that principle on the job in real life, in context. And then share is the idea of sharing it in community. And that's a very, very important principle in terms of how adults learn, is we need to do social collaborative learning. Because the way we learn as adults is I learn from you and you learn from me. And so as we build on each other's knowledge and experience, we deepen our own experience and understanding of that concept. So it's not just about learning from the teacher or the curator anymore. It's learning from the best peer that we have. Who is a top performer? I want to learn from them. And so social and collaborative learning is also providing the opportunity to share best practices and really be able to build and learn from the shared knowledge that exists within every single organization.